Hello, my friends. I am here yet again. Well, I'm here. I don't know where my mind is. I'm off on some beach or in some forest watching clouds go by, while my body is here in pain on the ground because I'm staring at the work that I've done and realizing, oh yeah, it's just one corner that I've done. So, here is the quick story. Burley brake. Done. Powerflex bushing radius rod. Powerflex bushings for the upper control arm. Powerflex bushing for the lower control arm. Fox adjustable strut / shock. And the Go Westy Zero Left spring. Yes, the link is not there because I have ordered a new set from Go Westy that are kind of modular and all bolt together, so those will be fun. The originals, as many know, the lower stud portion where the sleeve goes was really badly rusted to the point that if I was to put it back on and my client would take a hard turn, it would probably snap. So it's a good idea to upgrade it. That's about all I got done. The reason why that's all I got done yesterday and today was just cleanup was because one brake hard line would not come off. The fitting was so badly that I decided, it's just a better idea for safety's sake to replace all the hard lines. Why would you ever want to replace hard lines on a Syncro? It's the hardest one to do. It's a pain in the butt. You need patience like a saint. Well, I'm not a saint and I don't have much patience, but I'm gonna do it because it's the right thing to do. It's a Steve thing, I guess. That's about it for now. I will post updates as they come. Peace out, my friends. Good luck, have fun, don't die.